Hi guys, it's Khushi and welcome to another episode of Monday Acrylics. I know I haven't uploaded an acrylic painting video for the last 2 Mondays because I was busy with some work. I think this is my first cat acrylic painting tutorial on my channel. I've already made the rough sketch on a sheet of canvas which is about 6 by 5 inches. I'm just going to roll some tape and stick it to all four corners to secure the canvas sheet on my work desk. I recently bought Artist Paintbrush set by Artios. This is a 15 brush set. They are ideal for watercolor, gouache, ink, tempera and acrylic painting. Today is the day I'm going to try these. And this is not a sponsored video. I will give a genuine review by the end of this video. Let me quickly show you guys what all brushes are there in this set. I've already used the size 0 round brush. So there are 3 flat brushes in the size 2, 4 and 6. A fan brush in size 4. Filbert in size 4. Angular brush in size 4. Liner in size 2. Cat's tongue brush in size 2. Round brushes in 4 sizes 0, 2, 6 and 8. Rake or grass brush in size 4. Mop or quill in size 1. And a 1-inch wash. For today's painting, I will be using the size 4 flat brush, size 4 filbert and the size 0 round brush. Now let's get painting. I'm going to try something new with the background. Instead of going with details in the background, I'm just going to paint it in 2 colors. You can do it with the colors of your choice. The further part of this video is going to be fast forwarded. I hope you guys enjoy watching that. This is what the painting looks like. Talking about the brushes, they are high quality. The bristles are soft and they hold a lot of color, so that's a win. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such acrylic painting videos, then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.